If you are worried about how your houseplant is looking, first of all, remember houseplants are not supposed to be perfect. They are natural and they are ever changing. And the odd yellow leaf or brown tip here or there is really not a problem. If you do think there's something more serious at hand though, there's a little checklist to go through that'll help you self-diagnose really easily. First of all, I recommend looking at light. So you can figure that out really easily by looking at how much direct sun is hitting your plant and when. The next thing to check would be the soil. Is it wet? And that could show you that it's maybe been overwatered, or if it's dry, it could be underwatered. Remember, as the seasons change, you may need to move your plant to make sure it's getting enough light. And if you've just brought the plant into your home, it will take a little bit of time to settle down, and you may see a little bit of leaf drop or a little bit of stress from its journey into your home. Also remember that if you've had your plant for a while, then think about fertilizing it if you haven't done before, because it might not have any nutrients in the pot. That could lead to stress and it picking up other diseases or make it more likely to suffer from pests. This series should give you the confidence to use your checklist and work through to diagnose exactly what's wrong with your own plant.